Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see how to change your name on Tinder in a very easy and clear method. So let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open Tinder and then tap on the avatar on the bottom right corner right here. As you can see here, this is my name, so let's see what we can do to change it. Tap here, and then amongst the settings you get a lot of things that you can change, but you might notice that there is no option to change the name, and that's the truth. Tinder does not allow you to change your name once you create the account. Now you can delete the account and start fresh with a new name. Let's see how you do that. Just tap here, scroll down to the bottom, tap on delete account, and then tap on delete my account. Tap on skip on the top right corner, and then here tap on delete my account. This will permanently delete the account, but you can start fresh again with a new name. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and see you later.